It's Wednesday morning and I'm on the beach in Mexico. I'm not on vacation, I'm not retired, and I don't have a trust fund. And if you told me 10 years ago when I was grinding it away in corporate America that I could be making $37,000 a month, only working 3 days a week, I would have said that you are lying. But here I am. And here's the one thing that changed everything for me. And it's not the business idea and it's not the business model. And you do not need to be grinding it out for 16 hours a day just to become successful. That's not what this is about. And here's my point. It's simple. You do not have to trade your life for money. And there is a way to build a business, a real business that pays you $10, $20, $30, $50,000 a month without you having to be chained to your desk under a cubicle with a boss who couldn't care less about you. It's called a lifestyle business. And the reason why nobody talks about this is because it's not sexy. You're never gonna see me making $500 million a year. That's not what it's about. Because there's nothing flashy about saying, hey, build a small business that allows you to work 3 days a week and live your life however you want. But the truth is, I'm living proof of this. Now, I didn't figure this out because I read a book or watched a YouTube video. The truth is, it punched me in the face twice. Now, a few years back, I was working a 9 to 5 and everything on paper looked good. I was earning 6 figures, I had 3 weeks vacation, and I had bonuses and health benefits. And I was doing what you were supposed to do. Climb the corporate ladder, show up, put in a little extra work so you could get that paycheck or that promotion. And then 3 days before Christmas, I got a phone call that changed everything. My best friend had been tragically killed in a car accident. And it really shook me to my core. I remember that day like sitting at my desk under these like stuffy lights, just thinking like, what am I doing here? Like, what is the meaning of all this work for 40 years plus of my life? But I didn't do anything about it. I didn't take action. I pushed it down. And then a couple months later, my mother lost her life. The most important person to me in my world at that time. And I remember walking into HR and telling them this, like uncomfortably emotional. And I remember them telling me, well, you get 2 days. You get 2 days bereavement leave. 2 days was all that corporate America gave me to grieve, process the loss of the woman who raised me, who gave me an amazing childhood, who I have the most fond memories of, who was always my support person, who I called when things were tough. And that moment, sitting at that HR desk, something like fundamentally broke inside of me. And it wasn't like a big Hollywood way and all of a sudden I went on this like miraculous path, but something changed inside me that said, I need to do anything I can to escape corporate America. Now, here's what I didn't do. I didn't go and rage quit the next day out of spite. I didn't watch any YouTube video that gave me this like magical epiphany that like all of a sudden I was printing money. What I did was I started asking different questions. Instead of saying, how could I get a promotion or how can I find a better paying job? I started asking, how can I build something that allows me to get my time back? And not time back as in like, I want more time to start a side hustle flipping couches on Facebook Marketplace from 5 p.m. till midnight. But time back in the meaningful way where I could live out the dream of like the 4-hour work week, like what Tim Ferriss wrote in his book. And that question led me to something remarkably simple. It's called a productized service. And it's a business model that allows you to package a skill and sell it over and over again without you having to be there every single hour of the day, picking up the phone and putting out fires. No investors, doesn't require any money to start it up, no huge team, and definitely no grinding 60-hour work weeks. Just a simple, clean business that funds your life, not drain it. Fast forward to today. Last month, I made $37,000 and I only worked 3 days. And this wasn't like time off where I'm on my phone constantly the entire day, even though I'm on vacation. It was completely cut off, like no phone, spending time with my kids. They don't need to hop on my laptop for a quick Zoom call, actual disconnection. A couple weeks ago, I took a Tuesday off because I was in Canada and there was great powder skiing, so I wanted to go skiing. And now I'm spending a couple months in Mexico because the snow is not that great. And the best part is I didn't have to ask my boss permission to go work remotely or to take a vacation. But more importantly, running a lifestyle business has allowed me to be more present with the people I care about in my life. And now it's not my mother anymore as she's passed. It's my children, my 2 young boys, my wife, my amazing, incredible wife, and spending time with all of them. I no longer feel like I'm sitting in the cubicle waiting for 5 p.m. on a Friday to come around, and I'm no longer dreading Sunday nights. And I'm not saying this to brag. I'm saying this because if you felt like I felt working in corporate America, I just want you to know that there is another way. Okay, so here's what I actually did about it, because it's not magic, it's a model. And it's a model that you can follow. And it's what I call a productized service. And these are the 3 steps you need to do to build it. Step 1 is to pick one skill, not a whole menu of services, but one skill that you can package as someone's results that they'll pay for. For me, it was search engine optimization. That was my skill that I had. That was the value I could provide to law firms that we started taking on as clients. For you, it might be bookkeeping or legal services or accounting or even consulting or photography. Your business idea is actually completely irrelevant, but it's important that you pick one and you go deep on it. If you're lost for ideas, the easiest way is to do something you're already doing at your corporate job. Step 2 is to package it as a flat monthly fee or a one-time fee. Never price your services hourly. Never price your services hourly. That's just another way to trade your time for money. Instead, you set the price, you set the scope, and the client pays you every single month or pays you for that one-time service. For example, one of my marketing agency clients was Lindsay Hampson, and she was really, really good at doing EcoVadis certification for big companies. And so that's what she did. So when I started pricing my SEO services at $2,500 a month, you don't need that many clients to hit $37,000 a month. And that's all you need at first. At least that's enough to quit. Step 3 is to use AI to build you systems that automate the delivery of your product. This is the buy back your time principle from Dan Martell, but pumped up a notch. Every one of the tasks in your business, you need to assign to 3 categories: automate it, delegate it, or delete it. It's that simple. Because if you are the one who's doing all of the emailing, all of the calls, all of the delivery, all of the manual copying and pasting and using ChatGPT to just write a better email, that's not how you should use AI, by the way, then you're just building yourself another job. You're not building a lifestyle business. So that's the formula. One skill, one offer, and one automated process to deliver your product. And honestly, it doesn't need to be more complicated than that. And there's a lot of people on YouTube who are trying to make things more complicated so they can sell you like $10,000 coaching packages or $5,000 courses. You don't need any of that. But you do need to take action, because scrolling off of this video just to watch another one, if you keep doing that same pattern, you're gonna wake up a year from now and be in the exact same place you are now. A lot of knowledge, but no action. Now look, I just gave you my step-by-step blueprint for free here on YouTube. You can go and use this and do exactly what I did. But here's what I know from doing this for the past 7 years. The blueprint, the steps, that's the easy part. The execution, the accountability, the consistency, that is the hard part. And that's something that nobody online wants to talk about. It's figuring out where to find clients, how much to charge your clients, knowing what to automate and what to make manual. The biggest reason you are gonna fail is when it's 11 p.m. at night, your kids are in bed, and you're doom scrolling and you see a new business idea on YouTube or on TikTok or on Instagram. You think, well, maybe I should do that thing instead. But that's when you need someone to say, no, you don't. Here's what you need to keep doing, and keep doing it. And that's why I built the Autogrowth Academy. It's my community. I hop on and do weekly coaching calls, and I have a lot of free courses inside there for you to completely dive into, see how I use AI to build automated systems, and how I do my marketing to get clients for my own business. Inside, you'll get all of my frameworks, my client acquisition framework, my Google Ads templates. But more importantly, it's a room full of people who are trying to build a business that funds their life instead of consuming it. And if you're not ready for it, that's fine. Just subscribe to me on YouTube so you can get more videos like this to stay motivated, but it's the action that's gonna count. But if you're ready to take action and finally make that first step towards building a lifestyle business, then use the link down below. Clicking the link down below is the first step that you're gonna take to never having to ask your boss for time off or HR to go grieve the loss of someone close to you. Every week that you stay in your cubicle and just keep watching videos is another week that your family misses you and another week that you miss out on watching your children grow up. So if you're ready to change, use the link in the description.